so replacing your windows, again, it depends on the situation with the home, what that's going to look like. And again, it depends on what the homeowner wants their windows to be, right? If we're going back with a vinyl window, it might be a little different install than a wood window, if it's a new construction or if it's a replacement window. So a lot of that does depend on the home. Also, the glass packages that we're putting in there matter to it, and the type of siding that we're working with. If we have vinyl siding, it's a little different install than if we're working with like James Hardie or LP siding. Those solid surfaces siding usually require a little more trim around the outside just to dress it up and make it look nice when it's all finished. So every home is a little bit different, so the installs are always just a little bit adjusted for the home. So it does depend on the situation, the home, and the kind of windows that they want to go back with. Yeah, a lot of people think that, oh, I want to do it on a certain day. I want to do it in the summer or in the spring or the fall. Ultimately, you're going to be losing some efficiency at those times anyway, whether we replace it on a day when it's 90 degrees and your AC is pumping, or a day when it's 40 degrees and your furnace is running, right? So it doesn't make a huge difference as far as that goes. One of the things we always try and take out a window and have the next one in as soon as possible. So we try and be courteous to the homeowner to make sure that we avoid as much of that as possible, but we are opening up a hole in their home for a period of time. So it doesn't really make a huge difference what time of year we do it. If it's -10 outside, our guys probably aren't going to be working anyway, so we're not going to be out there. But yeah, as far as time of year, it doesn't really make a huge difference for us or for the home.